Alright guys, so what is up, man? Welcome back. I'm right here with
Crystal.
and we're at Applebees, guys. We're doing a restaurant bang, man. There's like a million people staring at us right now. This monstrosity of a camera, but hopefully you guys can hear us good. So basically, we came here and I ordered some fish and chips, guys, and she got herself some.
I got they have a special going on, unlimited ribs and tenders, and it comes with coleslaw and fries.
Yeah, so we got it going on right now, man. So basically, she also got they have like a $1 margarita right now.
Yeah.
So check this out. Little $1 margarita they got, you feel me? And then your boy got himself some classic H2O. You know what I mean, with lemon. So yeah, I think this is a pretty good deal. You know, the $1 little thing, it has a pretty good amount of liquor in it.
Yeah, they didn't skip you out on the liquor.
They didn't skip out, so it's not bad for $1.
Yeah.
It's not bad for $1 at all, you know what I mean? So we're gonna come back once the food gets here. We'll come back and we'll just chop it up and grub it. You feel me? So we'll see you guys in a minute, right? Peace. So what's up? We back again, man. We back. So I'm gonna show you what she got real quick. So here it is. We got the ribs. What do you think?
They look cool.
They look pretty delicious, you know what I mean? And then I got the fish and chips on deck. You already know what it is. So here's the fish. Check it out. What do you think about it? I don't know why the hell she didn't put salt on it.
Pork, please,
Goes. Here's some rare.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So we're about to get it in, you feel me? So what, the fish and chips, you just bite them or you cut them or what?
Buy them, dip them.
Alright, let's dip it up in the tartar sauce. Yeah.
It's good. Want to try a rib?
Not bad. Sure. This one? How is it?
Good, not bad.
Oh, not bad.
Not bad.
Can you dip ribs in the ranch?
You want? Oh my god.
Not bad on the ribs.
Good. Yeah. It's unlimited, so
Huh?
not too bad.
What do you think?
They didn't give us more napkins?
Oh, this is it. Sorry. So yeah, it's not bad, guys. I need some ketchup for my fish and chips. So I'm gonna add some ketchup on here. So hope everybody's doing well. Guys, on the way over here, we were contemplating where the hell to go to eat.
We were gonna go to the Cheesecake Factory.
We were gonna go to Cheesecake Factory. We were gonna go to Five Guys. We were gonna go to where else?
That was it. We're here.
Or she didn't want Mexican food.
Oh, we eating Mexican.
Your boy was trying to get some of the carne asada fries. I haven't done a mukbang in that for a while now. It's like 3-4 months. So I was trying to go, you feel me? They taste pretty smoked, huh?
Pretty good, not bad.
Guys, I asked for my fries with no salt, and they still brought my fries with no salt. So she still brought it out and said she's gonna bring back the other fries, but it's like, why even bring everything out, you know?
Well, she didn't bring it. The waiter, it was another person.
So now I'm basically waiting, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So what do you think?
It's pretty good. Want another one? Want another one? Get it.
What do you rate them out of a 10?
They're really good. 7, 8. Not bad.
How your burger?
Good.
Good. It has like a smoked taste.
Like charred, huh?
They have like a charred taste. Like a charred taste, guys. not bad.
You know why it's called batter, right?
But
Because it's a batter, but it has beer in it. Good going.
No. No, what do you think? The ranch kind of sucks.
You try it?
Try it. Kind of like flavorless. What do you think?
Maybe add more pepper. It's alright, it's not bad. Add more pepper. This will
I
help.
gave you guys extra on all three,
All right.
and I made his an adult side as well.
Oh, cool. Thank you.
Yeah, of course. I'm sorry about that.
Okay.
I told him no salt, but you know, they
You
don't
want
like
to
to
try
listen.
the tenders though? Like it's on the...
Yeah.
Can we get another round, but like the tenders?
Riblets
Yeah.
or chicken?
The chicken. I'll try the chicken now.
Chicken?
Yeah. Thank you.
Of course you can. I'll be
Thank
right
you.
back with
All right, so we got the fries.
that. Eat.
Now I'm gonna add some ketchup,
Try it now. I put pepper. Black pepper.
you put black pepper, and some tapatio.
This is better now. A little bit better.
Give it that look right there. But we're gonna try it now. The fries are hot because they're freshly fried. Ketchup and tapatio combined.
No salt on these ones as well, yeah?
Yeah.
Come out for the chicken?
Yeah, please. Yeah. Thank you.
If you guys have never tried to complete the blend of tapatio with ketchup on fries, it's fire.
Good. Good. It's unlimited.
She said take it. I certainly will.
There's many more that come out.
I got the tartar sauce right here. I'm not a big fan of tartar sauce.
Good.
But let me try the ranch now. It's a little better. Take a fish.
No, it's okay. So thank
Are you
you.
sure?
Of course, anything else for you guys right now? The riblets are on their way.
No, that's it.
Yeah, thank you.
Let's go.
So what do you think so far?
It's good. Not bad for the price. Not bad, you guys, because it's unlimited.
Huh?
It's unlimited. It's with the fries, the coleslaw, everything. So you could get multiple plates, as many plates as you want. And you could share fries, see? Share the fries.
Those are Jeremy's fries.
With 3.
No more fries? There you go. Oh, you don't want it? That's good. So yeah, pretty bomb. Thing is, you need more napkins when you're doing this.
Yeah. Normally they have like a dispenser, no?
Huh?
A napkin dispenser? They don't have it.
Need some more napkins?
Of course you can.
She's so nice.
Yeah, she's cool. The waiter's really nice, guys. She's really cool. You feel me? Thank you. Want to try rib? These are your fries.
The coleslaw wasn't too bad.
Huh?
The coleslaw wasn't too bad.
You liked it, the coleslaw?
Yeah.
Tastes better without the salt.
Huh?
Fries taste better without the salt.
Yeah. I personally just like my fries with like ranch or ketchup. That's it. Or Thousand Island.
No, I wonder if they have that here.
I don't think so.
Huh?
I don't think so.
You don't think they do?
No.
Doesn't ribs go with fries too?
Ribs?
Yeah.
It didn't taste bad right now.
Huh?
It didn't taste bad, the ribs with the fries. But the coleslaw balanced it out, you guys. It's like refreshing. It's like a salad. So it's really good. The fries taste a lot better without the salt. Here.
And you need a lot of napkins.
That was good though.
Huh?
That's good. What do you think? Is it worth it, this?
Yeah, that's good because it's unlimited. Yeah. If it was just the one plate, no.
Yeah.
I wouldn't go for it.
Yeah. It's good.
Honestly, I think she's bringing you out more ribs, not chicken.
That's alright.
So pretty boo.
Let me try the tartar.
So I was telling my lady about B Loves Life, and how she uploads every single day.
Yeah.
I told her that's crazy. I don't think I could ever do that.
Well, I think it's
It's
easy.
so hard.
I think it's easier for her too because her kids are not small.
Huh?
And she doesn't have small kids. Her kids are all adults.
For kids?
So, yeah, she has like a little bit more time maybe. And it's just to keep her busy probably as well.
That's true.
You know, so I think that plays a big role too as well.
What do you guys think about that?
Excuse me. I'm pretty sure when a lot of other mukbangers or people that just do different videos in general, they have family or small kids, it's a lot harder to try to keep up and upload.
She has a point.
So
I agree with you on that. Definitely harder to film when you have kids.
Chicken this
oh,
time?
thank you.
No fries, no salt on the fries.
Okay.
And do you want to get one more round of the noodles started?
Yeah.
Got it. Honey barbecue
you.
again?
Yeah, that's fine.
You want to try like spicy Texas or like a Swedish and chili?
Oh, you do try different ones? Different
Yeah,
flavors?
Texas is like a little bit spicy.
There's
I
different
like
riblet flavors?
It's the same riblets, they just put like a different sauce on it.
Oh.
Okay.
Or the Swedish and chili is like a little bit more like a, I want to say sweet and sour, but it's got a little bit of a kick to it as well.
Okay. We'll try the want to try the Texas?
Texas, yeah.
We'll try the
Texas?
Texas.
You
Yeah.
got it already?
Okay. So it only came with 3 little pieces of tenders.
So Crystal's gonna grub away. I might grab a piece, but she's got some more riblets.
Yeah, this is a Texas
Show
house.
them close. Nice. She's got some more riblets. Are they hot?
Yeah. It's good.
I'm gonna try it. Rip me off a piece. Just that piece right there. Let's see. I try it out. She got another one to go.
Yeah.
A little fat butt.
They only gave me 2 pieces.
That's how it goes.
Jeez. The first time it was like 4 pieces.
Not bad, guys. Should I upload this today?
Yeah.
Or tomorrow? It's already late. Though.
A lot of people are up late.
Think so? Excuse me. Excuse me. Can we get the water?
Yeah, of course.
She's coming back and forth.
Yeah, I'll take that for you guys right now, okay?
It's good. It's a little spicy.
Not bad.
It's really good, you guys.
So overall, guys, I'm gonna give this place I'm gonna give a rating of, I would say her plate was way better. So I will give hers like an 8, and I'll give mine like a 7. Not.
Bye, you guys.
See you guys next time, guys. Peace.